The mind-gut connection argues that the brain and the digestive system are in constant two-way communication, and that this relationship helps explain not only digestive symptoms, but also aspects of mood, stress, appetite, and general well-being. Meyer describes this as a network involving nerves, hormones, immune signals, and the gut microbiome rather than the gut acting as a simple food processing tube. The book's central message is that many common digestive problems are not all in the mind, but neither are they purely mechanical gut problems. Instead, symptoms often arise from disturbances in the brain-gut axis. Stress and emotions can alter gut function, while changes in the gut can influence how we feel mentally and physically. Meyer uses familiar examples such as butterflies in the stomach or abdominal discomfort during anxiety to show that this link is part of everyday life, not just disease. A major theme is the importance of the gut microbiome. Meyer explains that the microbes living in the intestine help regulate digestion, immune activity, inflammation, and signaling to the brain. He presents the microbiome as one of the key mediators of the mind-gut relationship, helping shape how resilient or vulnerable we may be to stress-related symptoms and some disorders. He also emphasizes that the communication is bidirectional. Brain can influence the gut through stress responses, autonomic nerves, and hormones, while the gut can influence the brain through sensory nerves, immune molecules, microbial metabolites, and hormonal signals. In other words, emotions can upset digestion, and disturbances in digestion or the microbiome can feed back into mood, mental clarity, and how the body handles stress. Another main point is that modern lifestyle can disrupt this system. Meyer discusses factors such as chronic stress, processed diets, lack of dietary diversity, and unnecessary medical interventions as contributors to an unhealthy gut ecosystem and impaired gut-brain signaling. The practical implication is that health should be approached more holistically rather than by treating isolated symptoms alone. In practical terms, the book encourages habits that support a healthier gut-brain relationship: eating a plant-rich, varied diet, avoiding overly processed food, being cautious about overusing antibiotics or other disruptive interventions, managing stress, and paying attention to bodily signals rather than separating mental and digestive health into unrelated categories. One useful way to read the book is this: Meyer is not simply saying gut health affects everything. He is making a more specific argument that the body works as an integrated system, and that many disorders are better understood when we stop treating the brain, gut, and immune system as separate worlds. That systems-based view is really the backbone of the book. A fair caution is that some microbiome research discussed around the time of the book's release was still emerging, and parts of the field have continued to evolve. Even so, the broad framework Meyer describes, especially the existence of a real, biologically grounded gut-brain axis, is well established.